Hayley was tired of breezing through museum after museum on her holidays. Though she enjoyed seeing famous works of art, everything felt rushed and superficial. She longed to truly immerse herself in the experience. That's when she heard about Snow Art Day, an event that promotes spending longer periods collecting with individual pieces of art. The snow art movement began in New York in 2001. It started as a protest against the increasing speed of life and the lack of depth in how people engaged with art. On Snow Art Day, visitors are encouraged to select a few pieces of art to sit with, observe, and discuss for several minutes. Slow art inspires appreciation of details that often go unnoticed, like subtle brush strokes or textures. It gives insights into the creative process behind the artwork. Viewing art slowly also invokes emotions and memories in viewers, as they make personal connections with what they see. For her next trip, Hayley decided to visit the museum for Slow Art Day. She chose 3 paintings and found a bench in front of each to sit undisturbed. The first was a striking abstract piece with swirling colors and shapes. At a glance, it seemed chaotic. However, after observing it for a while, she saw a flowing symmetry emerge. The colors invoked a feeling of energy and freedom. Mesmerized, she lost track of time. The second was a landscape painting. Initially, it appeared boring, yet little details started standing out. Depths of brightly showing sun rays through trees, a concealed hiking trail in the background. She imaged sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves, breathing in the bucolic serenity. The last was a portrait, the woman's eyes seeming to gaze right at her. Her enigmatic smile hid a depth of wisdom and stories untold. Hayley pondered over her thoughts and character. For a long moment, she felt deeply connected to this woman's soul across centuries. Leaving the museum, Hayley felt transformed. She saw how slowing down to relish art could elicit profound meaning and connection. Her experience epitomized the power of snow art to move us and bring us in touch with what it is to be human. She promised herself more slow art days to relish, wandering through the corridors of aesthetics and imagination at a more human pace. April 13 is Slow Art Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Slow Art Day. Cheers!